Alright, everybody. Live in H-Town in Houston, Texas. Some of you don't know what H-Town is. It's cool. Outside freezing my ass off, but hey, it's all cool. Don't worry, I'm wearing a jacket. I know you may not see it, but there's ice coming down. Ice rain. This is amazing. Totally amazing. I mean, look, seriously. Look at my jacket. Ice. That is totally ice, everybody. My hands are freaking cold. I'm not much of a complainer, but I love the cold weather. This is what makes me like awesome. I don't know. Like, I don't know. Can't say. I don't know what to say. This makes me too happy, I guess. Too exciting. As you can see, the leaves are starting to freeze, getting ice. Check that out. Ice. This leaf is totally covered in ice. You don't think it, but check it out. It is. There it is. Ice. Neighbor's house, covered with ice. My car, it is totally covered in ice. Totally covered in ice. See? Ice. Windshield covered in ice. Inches of ice. Inches. That's the leaf that it was totally stuck. And we got a little bit of a, I don't know, snow flurry trying to develop as well. It's supposed to get worse through the night, as they say. Inches of ice. That is too cool. This stuff amazes me. So we don't get a lot of stuff like this down here in Texas, as we did, a lot of people do up north. So I wanted to little experience that. It's crazy. Yeah, look at that. That's just insane. What was really cool. Whoa, what was that? Huh. Something just came through like snow kind of in a way. But ice. It's up in the roof. Inches of ice built up. I know my mom probably telling me to get my blood in the house because I'll get sick, but look at that. Look at this. That is, wow, insane. The wind's picking up now. Yeah, that's our neighbor. Alright. I mean, I'm totally bolting it up and everything, but dude, it's cool. Alright, gotta go, guys. Peace.